In this video, we are going to see the difference between Git and SVN. So Git is installed on a workstation and acts as a client and a server, whereas SVN has a separate server and a client. In Git, each user has a local copy of the full version history of the project on their local machines. The Git user clones a repository from a remote server instead of a traditional checkout. Whereas in SVN, only those files which a user is working on are kept on the local machine. The users check out files and commit changes back to the server. In Git, the changes happen locally, so the developer or the user doesn't need to be connected at all times. So for the user, the development is easier and faster because it's done locally. Whereas in SVN, the user must be connected online to the server at all times. In Git, branches refer to a specific certain commit. These are lightweight, but the user can still create, delete and change a branch at any time without affecting the commits. When a user has to do testing on a new feature or bugs, the user can make a branch, incorporate the changes, and then once he is done, he can push the commit to the central repo, and subsequently he can delete the branch. However, in case of SVN, the branches are created as directories inside a repository. So when the branch is ready, you commit back to the trunk. So in case while merging changes, if the user version of the trunk doesn't reflect the other developers or other users branches, then this can create conflicts. And this is what makes branching and merging complicated and time consuming to manage in case of SVN. On the storage side, Git repositories cannot handle large binary files, whereas SVN repositories can handle large binary files, and also it takes up much lesser space than in Git.